What up everybody, it is browniebabe02 and today we're going to be learning how to make Play-Doh with flour, soap, and food coloring. So, you guys are probably wondering why I'm just showing my bottom half and not my face. It's because my camera won't adjust to it. My camera's charging, and if it's under 5%, then it won't let me make a video, and I want to make a video before I forget. So here's my face. Okay, now I'm going to tell you guys what you need today. You're going to need something like a paper towel or a rag or something to put under it. So I'm just going to roll out my paper, my rag, or I think it's called a towel, yeah. I'm just going to roll that out. You're going to need a bowl, a mixing utensil, shampoo or dish soap. I'm using Dawn, the candy apple. I think that's what it's called. Some food coloring. I can't find my red, so we're going to be using blue, yellow, and green. Some flour. I have a big thing over here. I'm using all-purpose flour. A cup, just in case, you know, you want to do it in a cup. I used a bowl. Any kind of extract. I'm using almond extract. And then some gloves. You don't have to use gloves, but I prefer to use gloves because it gets a little messy with the food coloring. So, alrighty, let me move everything here, and then we'll start off. Alright, let me put, okay, first step is to put your gloves on, obviously, if you will have some. Don't ask why I have these kinds of gloves, just don't. Okay, first off, we're gonna take our bowl and our stirring utensil and put some of this in here. Just enough to where it fills it up. I'll show you guys. Like this. Just enough. And just spread it around the bottom like so. That's how it looks like that, all around the bottom. Then you're going to want to take your color, food coloring. I think I'm going to use blue. Take your blue and put drops in here. Depends on how light you want your thing at. I'm using this color blue. Sorry guys, I had to pause that for a second and wash up my thing. You guys do not want any, what's it called? Any water in here. So after you put the blue in your bowl, just start mixing it around with the dish soap, and it'll turn, and like mine is this color. And so, I'm just mixing that around until I got the color satisfied. See, mine's turning a bit purplish because of my soap is pink. That's okay, I kind of like that color. I think maybe I'm going to add a little yellow to it. Sorry guys, I thought somebody was here. I'm going to add a drop of yellow. Just because I want that turquoise color. And then it'll turn into like a green. I don't want that. I'm going to start adding some blue until it makes a turquoise. That just makes a darker green color. Just mess around with your food colors. This color should be good, I guess. Adding a lot more blue because I kind of want mine blue, but it's staying green. I don't think I should have added that yellow to it. Here we go, we got the right color. I actually wanted this color. Alrighty, so let me this is what it looks like. Just gonna swerve it around the bottom. That's what it looks like. Now, let me put these off to the side. Now you're gonna wanna take some extract, if you have any, or if you want to use any. I'm just using some to make it smell good. Just a little. And then I'm going to mix it around one more time. The soap and the extract will, like, butt heads when it comes to it. They'll try to divide. But you got to mix that around and don't let it divide. It smells very delicious. Actually, I would eat this if it wasn't soap. Alrighty. So after I got that in, take your flour. I'm using a spoon, just a normal size spoon. I'm going to put 2 spoonfuls of in here. It doesn't matter how many measurements you have, honestly. See, and then it's going to look like this, and you're just going to want to mix it around. It'll start getting plumpier. That is what you want. That's exactly what you want. If it doesn't start getting clumpy, then add some more flour. Alrighty. Just a minute, I'll show you. What it looks like. It should end up looking like this, like all clumps. That is what you want. So then you're going to scoop it all out and like clutch it together as you're holding it and just shake off the extra excess. And then start molding it around and playing with it. See, you're gonna want to use gloves because the color gets everywhere while you're molding it. But when you actually give it to the kids or yourself to play with, it doesn't get on your hands. It's just when you're molding it. I just created this idea on my own, you know, because I thought it would be pretty fun for kids. That I babysit, so I thought it would be a fun idea for kids to play with. They absolutely love it. And it's regular than actual Play-Doh. Yeah. And make it like a little sticky. That's why you gotta keep putting it in your bowl and adding more flour to it. See, this is what mine looks like now. It's like actual Play-Doh, but a little more stickier than Play-Doh. So that's why I want to go in and just tap down with your Play-Doh and then just mold it in there. Guys, this does not dry out. Just, if you want it to last, it'll last up to a week, but you have to keep it in the refrigerator. It lasts up to 1 whole week. It may last longer than that, but I would just say give it a week, and then after a week throw it, because it starts getting harder than Play-Doh. It doesn't dry out, but it gets harder than Play-Doh. Just trying to get all this extra excess out of here. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and make a few more colors. I'm going to go a little faster this time. Just keep molding it. This is a perfect now. This is really perfect. I'm going to go ahead and mold it into a ball. And put that right there. Alrighty. I'm going to scrape all of this out. I'll be back. Alrighty guys, I just done a orangish, yellowish looking color. I use this, put it off to the side there, pure lemon extract. Yeah. So I was just showing you guys the color, and I'll show you when it's done. Alrighty guys, I made my Play-Doh. I got this one. It's not hard, I'm just doing it slowly so you guys can see it. And then this one. Just like Play-Doh, but better. It smells really good. Yeah. Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, morning, or wherever you're at. Just a great day. I would love it to see you guys again on next day. The next day I make one of these. Sorry guys, I'm really addicted to having these. Bye guys, thank you for watching. browniebabe02 DIYs. Make sure to like and subscribe and tell all of your friends. And question of the day is, what's your favorite food? My favorite food would have to be either pizza or jambalaya. I really like me some jambalaya. Alrighty guys, make sure to like and subscribe and tell all your friends, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!